Hi family, and welcome back to 1119. I'm your host Kandice, and today I wanted to share a couple things with you here on the channel. First, I would like to say thank you so much for coming back and watching today's video. The second thing I would like to say is that the footage that you're actually watching is me putting my apartment together. As you can tell, I have a lot more things here added to my apartment, but this was back in June when I first moved in and I started to really be able to purchase things for my home, and I wanted to record it and show it off as lifestyle content. So you're welcome, or I hope you like it. The other things I wanted to touch base on is how you can be able to see this beautiful face and how I'm going to help you align to different things in your current life right now. If you are here, this means that you kind of like the following things. Either you like astrology, you want to know more about self-care, self-love, your soft era, maybe you like lifestyle content, or maybe you just like my energy in general and you just want to see how I'm doing and where I'm going with my life, which is amazing, and thank you and welcome. So just to give you some context here on YouTube, I'm going to be posting about the podcast, which is NN Broadcast. We are going to be dropping episodes for you visually here on video every Sunday. And this upcoming Sunday, we will be having another episode. And this one is in regards to your North Node and what is that energy, or what energy does it kind of give off of. And then on second of that, we're going to be adding in on Fridays. It will be more of my lifestyle content or any other conversations that I want to talk to you about, where it allows me to sit down, provide some information, whether there's productivity, spirituality, maybe it's a tarot reading, I don't know, but I feel like the longer form content in regards to my life will be here on YouTube. I am also going to be on TikTok and on Instagram, and these two platforms you're also going to see different things from me. I have decided that every Wednesday is going to be Wellness Wednesday, so you'll be seeing a lot of my food recipes or just food in general on Wednesdays, and this could be shown on both platforms. And then on top of that, I do want to share more of my lifestyle, little snippets, photography. I'm going to be doing a lot of things that I don't want to say as of yet, but it's going to be a lot of things that I want to share on a more day-to-day basis on those two different platforms. But those are the three main platforms that you can see me on social media. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to DM me or send me an email. All that information will be down in the description box below. In any case, I just wanted to send this quick little video for you guys on this beautiful Friday. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and I will catch you guys at our next video. Bye guys.